Most people think the best time to start an online business was like 5 years ago. But what if the window isn't closing? What if it's widening bigger than it ever has? Kajabi just announced today 50% off all plans. And when you use my link, you actually get it for 12 months. So 50% off all Kajabi plans for an entire year when you use my link. In this video, I'm going to show you all that comes with Kajabi and the discount. And I'm going to show you an exclusive bonus that you're getting from me that's on top of all the bonuses that I already do. And that is my flagship course, 6-Figure Fastlane. I sell this for $400 and I'm giving it to you for free when you join Kajabi between now and June 2nd for this 50% off discount. In this video, we're gonna walk through why you would wanna be on Kajabi, all of the things that it does, and 5 brand new features that Kajabi has that are completely new that are going to absolutely change the way that you do business. Most of these interact with AI and utilize it, and they're just 5 more ways that Kajabi makes what you do even easier, and it makes you and me look like we know better than we're doing. Like makes us look like we're really good. At least for me, it makes me look like I'm good at this, even if I'm not. Kajabi is that powerful of a tool. And so let's talk about what's on the table. First, 50% off all Kajabi plans. You can choose monthly or annual. This means that the basic plan is $89.50 a month, the growth plan, $124.50 a month, or the pro plan is $249.50 a month. And by the way, again, with my link, you get all of those for 12 entire months. Now, Kajabi's own deal locks the 50% in for 6 months, but my link gets it to you for 12 months. So it's an extra 6 months at half the price. It closes on June 2nd. That's a hard deadline, and the cart shuts. So if you're watching this after June 2nd, still go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi because it's going to have the most up-to-date information of what's available and how you can join and what bonuses you can get. But if you're watching this between now and June 2nd and you want free access to 6-Figure Fastlane and all my bonuses and half off Kajabi for an entire year, now's the time. Kajabi is an all-in-one online business solution. It's one tool that replaces everything. And in my case, it replaced a lot of things I used to use. So for email marketing, Kajabi does that. I used to use ConvertKit. Now it's all Kajabi. Course hosting, I used to use Teachable. I do it on Kajabi. My website was hosted by WordPress. Now it's on Kajabi. It does sales funnels, landing pages, payment processor, your community, your coaching, podcast hosting, which I used to use Buzzsprout. Automations and AI are built in at every turn. Kajabi is a one-stop shop that runs your business. It is the superpower behind your business. So when I started, I had Teachable, ConvertKit, WordPress, Buzzsprout, and Zapier to connect it all together. And the constant piecing together of these pieces of software, all these different APIs, caused me to be slow in my business because I was bogged down in the tech because I'm not really a tech guy. It was confusing to me because it wasn't simple. Kajabi is simple, especially when you watch my videos and you learn how to use it. It gets simpler and simpler, and it just works because one piece of Kajabi speaks to all the other pieces of Kajabi. So if you set something up on email and set up an automation, it's going to read it throughout your whole business. Whereas if you have your email on a different software and your courses on another software and your coaching over there, you have to manually connect all these things, which confused me. And I spent more time messing around with that than running my business, doing the things that I love to do, like make content, work with my clients, and really get transformation for people. I couldn't do that because I was bogged down in the tech, and it was expensive. So when you look at how much money it takes to run an online business, if you're just using a bunch of different APIs, a bunch of different pieces of software, it can get very expensive. When I moved to Kajabi, it saved me about $2,000 a year over all those other things. So if you add up the cost of what it takes to run your business in a manual way like that, it's crazy. But when you add that Kajabi is doing 50% off right now, that's pretty amazing. So Kajabi makes you look better than you actually are, which you already look great. It just makes you look even better. For me, I can say this: I don't know what I'm doing, but Kajabi makes me look like I do. And so for that, I've been a fan since 2019. It does the heavy lifting so you can show up for your audience. This is the thing that I value the most. Because Kajabi is doing the work that I either don't want to do or I'm not good at, it frees my time up to do 2 things: paddleboard on a Tuesday, go to brunch with my wife, hang out with my clients, bring transformation to people, create content that's helpful, create new products. I can do all that while Kajabi does all the back-end stuff that I don't want to do. You focus on the content, the coaching, the transformation, and Kajabi handles everything else behind the scenes. Now, I want to mention Kajabi just crossed over $11 billion made on the platform. That is creators like you and like me selling their own products on Kajabi to the tune of $11 billion. $11 billion of coaching, of courses, of community products on Kajabi. That's amazing. And it's so fun to be a part of it. And I want that for you. So Kajabi's proven. It's not a startup. It's not an experiment. They know exactly what they're doing. I want to talk about specifically how I'm going to help you get success over this next 12 months on Kajabi. So the first thing is you're getting six-figure fast lane. This is my flagship course on how to build and grow an online business. It sells for $400. I've never given it away. I'm doing this because I want to set you up with everything you need to succeed on the platform this year. This course is a full roadmap from idea to income, step by step. The second thing you're going to get is Kajabi Accelerator. This is a course that I made to help you get started on Kajabi, hit the ground running, and find success on the platform. Kind of shows your way around the platform. The third bonus is an exclusive masterclass that I did called the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make. This was made after I met with the first 400 people that I referred to Kajabi. I actually met with one-on-one. So I had 400 one-on-one conversations, 45-minute conversations with people who joined Kajabi through my link. And I learned what works, what doesn't work, what leads to success, what leads to failure. And I put all that in this exclusive masterclass, and you get it when you use my link. And then number 4, you're going to get the 25K course launch email template. These are the exact emails and email sequences that I used to launch my first course, which did over $25,000 in its first 3 launches. Now, there are 2 types of people watching this right now. Number 1, the person who's been waiting to start. This might be you. Like you have the idea, you have the experience, the knowledge that you want to share on Kajabi. You have the desire to build something. You've been waiting for the right time, the right tool, the right movement, and right now is the time. 50% off, 12 months, free $400 course to show you exactly what to do, plus all the other bonuses. The other kind of person, you're already running a business, but it's complicated, all right? You've got tools duct taped together and it's slowing you down. Maybe you're like I was, where you're using a bunch of different pieces of software, or maybe you're using a different all-in-one solution, but it's not doing what it needs to do for you. You're spending time managing software instead of serving clients and attracting new leads to your business. In both cases, Kajabi simplifies everything into one place so that you can actually do your best work. It allows you to shine. Now, I want to say all of that just on its own is pretty freaking exciting. But what makes it even cooler is Kajabi just released 5 brand new products that are all absolutely incredible. Here's what I want to show you. First, I'm going to do a dedicated video on each one of these 5 things. So over the next several days, I'm going to do one video on each of these so that you'll see exactly what these things do. But I want to go over them really quick. First, Cofounder. This launches tomorrow, May 19th. AI that knows your business and tells you what to do next. So this is not a generic chatbot. This is inside Kajabi. I've used it. It's amazing. I actually used Cofounder to help build out what I'm doing for my business. Like everything that I'm doing in the business, here's what it does. It knows your back end. It knows how many people are subscribed to your email list. It knows what they're doing in terms of like if they're buying products, if they're not buying products. It knows how many leads you're getting. It knows where you're getting the leads from. And it knows all of Kajabi, all of the data that it has. So when it gives you advice, when it tells you to take certain actions, it's doing it with all of that in its knowledge base. So it's better than anything out there in terms of ChatGPT, Claude, whatever, because it, for this purpose, when you're inside Kajabi, it knows exactly what to suggest, and it's built in. It's just a chatbot right there, and you can ask it any question at any time. It's amazing. It helps you build your plan, your offers, your launch strategy before you ever even have to write a word. Number 2, Backstage. This is a private portal for every one-on-one coaching client. So Kajabi's done coaching for a while. It's going to get an order of magnitude better than it's ever been. This tool, this one tool replaces Zoom, Calendly, Voxer, and Notion all in one place. So Zoom, so video calls, easy, recorded and there for your client. Calendly, you don't need it anymore. You got the scheduling tool built into Kajabi. Voxer, if you want to have an ongoing messaging, audio messaging relationship with your clients outside of your calls, it replaces that. Notion, so there's a note-taking tool right there built in. All of that, we're going to do a deep dive into Backstage. That launches on May 21st. Amplify, this is your email list earns you flat fees by promoting other creators' offers. So you have a list, and there might be someone else who uses Kajabi that has a similar business model to you. It allows you to have their products promoted to your list if you want to. Of course, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can monetize your list between your launches. So it's like your distribution channel. Number 4, and this is, I'm so excited about this, Kajabi MCP. So you can connect Kajabi directly to Claude or ChatGPT. I've done this because they gave me a beta. It's amazing. It is so cool because what you do is you tell your AI what you want and it builds it. It builds the landing page, it builds the emails, builds the offer, and then you review it and go live. So they're closing the gap between idea and execution like nothing I've ever seen. Number 5, expert agents. This launches on June 1st. AI trained on your content, your voice, and your offers. So essentially, this is going to be something that you can have inside Kajabi and offer it as something to provide to your people that is like your thoughts and what you would do. So it handles sales questions, student support 24/7, even when you're not there. So with all that said, the next step is lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Get the 50% off discount, get the free course, and get going on Kajabi. I cannot wait to watch what you do. If you've been waiting, stop waiting. The window is open right now. If your business is complicated, now's the time to simplify it. You should be creating, not managing software and trying to keep it from breaking. The tool exists, it's Kajabi, the deal exists, and the roadmap exists. And the only thing that's missing is you making the move. Now is the time, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And by the way, I have a playlist right here, your first 30 days on Kajabi, which will give you a great idea of what to do day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, as you're starting your journey. So click right there and I'll see you inside that playlist. And I can't wait to see what kind of business you build on Kajabi.